Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your Slack account. In order to log in into your Slack account, what you'll need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and also make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. If you have an account on Slack, only then you'll be able to log in into your Slack account. Otherwise, you'll not be able to log in into your account. Without any further delay, let's get started. Open up any web browser of your choice, and as you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in the link that is slack.com. You can also find the link on my description box. After you type in the link, you'll be taken to the official site. So this is how the profile page or the official site is gonna look like. If you don't have an account, then right at the bottom in the left hand side corner, you'll be able to see sign up procedure. So you can sign up with your email or a Google account. If you tap on any one of these following options, then you'll proceed on with the enrollment process. Since you already have an account and want to log in, click on the sign in button in the top right corner of your screen. As soon as you click on the sign in button, you'll be taken to the sign in or login interface. On this procedure, you need to select the method of login in. So basically, there are different methods of login in. The first one is you can either continue with a Google, Apple account, and then the email. Since I've signed up with my email address, so I'll need to type in the email address associated with my Slack account. And once you're done entering your email, click on sign in with the email, which is right at the bottom. And next interface, you'll be asked to enter in a confirmation code. For that, you'll need to open up your email and then paste in the confirmation code right over here. As soon as you paste in the confirmation code, you'll be asked to enter in a password associated with the Slack account. If you have provided a valid information, then you'll successfully log in into your Slack account. In this way, you can log in into your Slack account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.